Hello friends, this is Dsssb Dsssb questions. Okay, so question number one: the process of finding out the resultant force is called option A resolution, option B superposition, option C composition, option D transition. So the process of finding out the resultant force is called as composition. That is option C is correct answer. Option C is correct answer. Question number 102. Question number 102. The angle of inclination of the plane at which the body begins to move down the plane is called option A angle of friction, option B angle of repose, option C angle of projection, option D none of the above. So the angle of inclination of the plane at which the body begins to move down the plane is called angle of projection. That is option C is correct answer. Question number 103. As per Indian standard soil classification system, a sample of facility clay with liquid limit of 40% and a plasticity index of 28% is classified as option A CH, option B CI, option C CL, option D CLML. So we know a line equal to 0.73 all into WL minus 20. WL means in liquid limit. Okay, so after calculation it will come as option B, that is the option B of B is correct answer. Question number 104. A rectangular open channel of width 5 meter is carrying a discharge of 100 meter per second. The flow number of the flow is 0.8. The depth of a flow in the channel. So depth of a flow in the channel is given by option A 4, option B 5, option C 16, option D 20. So here correct answer will be option A, that is for option A. Question number 105. The ratio of actual evapotranspiration to potential evapotranspiration is in the range of option A 0.0 to 0.4, option B 0.6 to 0.9, option C 0.0 to 1 point, and option D 1 to 2 points. So here correct answer will be 0.6 to 0.9. Option B is correct answer. Question number 106. Road roughness is measured using option A Benkelman beam, option B bump integrator, option C dynamic cone penetrometer, option D falling weight deflectometer. So road evenness is measured using bump integrator. Okay, option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. But here Benkelman beam is used for a deflection. Option A used for a deflection. Okay, deflection, and option B bump integrator for a unevenness means road roughness, and option D falling weight deflectometer is for a physical property or overloading. Question number 107. Which of the following errors can be eliminated by those reciprocal measurements in a different leveling? Option 1 error due to earth curvature, option B error due to atmospheric refraction. So option A both 1 and 2, option B 1 only, option C 2 only, option D neither 1 or 2. So question number 107, correct answer will be both 1 and 2, that is error due to earth's curvature, and error due to atmospheric refraction can be eliminated by reciprocal measurements in a different leveling. That is option A is the correct answer here. Question number 108. A force when applied to a body having mass 1 kg and giving it an acceleration of 1 meter per second is known as option A 1 dyne, option B 1 newton, option B 1 pound, option B, option D all the above. So a force when applied to a body having mass 1 kg and giving it acceleration of 1 meter per second is known as 1 Newton. Option B is correct answer. Question number 109. Which of the following are a correct unit of impulse? So when it is asking about impulse, okay, impulse, okay, impulse. So here correct answer is uh, gram gram centimeter per second, kg meter per second, then second. Option D. Here option D is correct answer, that is all the above. So question 110. If three forces acting at a point are in equilibrium, then the ratio of the force to the sine of opposite angle is constant. Only it all the forces are option A inwards, option B outwards, option C can be both, option D none of the above. So here correct answer will be the outwards, that is if three forces acting at a point are in equilibrium, then ratio of the forces to sine of opposite angle is constant. Only it all the forces be outwards. Question 1111. Moment of a couple about any point in space is always option A different, option B same, option C both the above, option D none of the above. So moment of a couple about any point in space is always the same. 112. The frictional force which prevents only body from sliding on another is known as option A static friction, option B kinetic friction, option C cone of friction, option D none of the above. So the frictional force which prevents one body from sliding on another is known as the static friction, that is option A is correct answer. So there 113. Which of the following is correct expression for centripetal force? So for centripetal force, mv square by r and m. So here option A correct, option B correct, option C correct, that is both A and B. Question number 14. Which of the following are known as a siliceous rock? So siliceous rock, option A slate, option B limestone, option C laterite, option D granite. So siliceous rock 114. Siliceous rock is the granite rock. Granite is the siliceous rock, that is option D is the correct answer. Question number 115. Which of the following have a less unit weight? Option A granite, option B sandstone, option C marble, option D basalt. So which of the following have a less unity weight? So its the correct answer will be sandstone. Sandstone having less unit weight, that is option B is correct answer. Now question 116. Stone in building work can be used for which of the following components? Option A foundation, option B walls and columns, option C arches and lintels, option D all the above. So stone in building work can be used for which of the following components? That is here option A is also correct, option B walls and columns correct, option C arches and lintels correct, option D all the above. So here correct option is option D. 117. A test to find out the rate of wear stone. So rate of wear stone used in the road construction. Rate of wear stone road construction is the attrition test. 117 is option C is correct answer. Okay, crossing test for strength, impact test for toughness, hardness test for brittleness, hardness test. Okay. Option A crossing test for strength, impact test for toughness, option C attrition test for rate of wear. Okay, option D hardness is for brittleness. So 118, the brick which is light in weight and reduce the transmission of heat, sound and dampness is known as option A hollow brick, option B cavity brick, option C cellular brick, option D all the above. So the brick which is light in weight reduce the transmission of heat, sound and dampness is known as all the above, that is option D is correct answer. Question number 119. Properties of steel can be altered by option A structural treatment, option B heat treatment, option C both the above, option D none of the above. So properties of steel can be altered by heat treatment. That is option B is correct answer. Option B is correct answer. 120, the slope of a tensile stress strain diagram represents the slope of a tensile stress strain diagram represents option A modulus of rupture, option B modulus of elasticity, option C tenacity, option D ductility. So slope of a tensile stress strain diagram represents modulus of elasticity, modulus of elasticity. Okay,